Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2014 Jeep Cherokee and I will show you the location of the spare tire and spare tire tools. This video will apply to Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so I will turn the flash on my phone because it's getting dark. Now the spare tire will be located in the trunk area just under these covers. All you have to do, you have to pull this cover up and then pull it over yourself. And here is the spare tire and all of the tools, right? Now the good thing about this vehicle, it doesn't come with the donut, it comes with a full-on spare tire. You can see the size of the tire here. 225, 65, 17, so that's a full tire, which is excellent because many of bigger vehicles actually come with a donut. So this is a full-on tire, so you don't have to even drive like 80 kilometers per hour. You can drive faster on it, right? And the tools, they're all here, the jack and all of the smaller tools. Now to remove the tire or the tools, all you have to do, you just have to turn this all the way to the left and remove it, right? Because this is securing the tools and the tire, and once this is off, everything will be loose. You can just pull everything up. Yeah, and that's it. And also this should be in your vehicle as well, which will show you exactly all of the tools, how to use them, and so on, right? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.